Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video about Polygon Matic, guys. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the reality of Polygon Matic. Why the price falls down when there is again possibilities that the price will pump. In this video I will clear all things about Polygon Matic, so keep watching this video complete. But before starting this video, I request everybody, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Polygon Matic. Guys, now the right now price of Polygon in the market is about 125 cent. 125 cent is the right now price of Polygon. And furthermore, other side, if we talk about the changes, the price changes occurs in the Polygon Matic. So obviously the changes is completely going to the lows. I mean, negative changes occur. Polygon is completely in the lows from last 7 days. If you look the changes update, so you can see that the 7 days update is about negative 25.42% decrease, and the last 1 day changes is also negative 6.67% decrease. But in the right now situation, the last 60-minute update is going positive, but I think that is a temporary positive changes. Now the dumping time of Polygon starts, so possibilities that for 1 week the price continued like that falls. You can see here from 4 September the price of Polygon falls down, in today's 13 September. So the price going in the lows, guys. Alert. At this time, a lot of Polygon Matic holders are doing very big mistake. A lot of people decide to say due to negative changes, they understand that now completely falls off Polygon starts. But no, the price falls continue for 1 week. You can see here also, if you look at the previous time, this time the price falls down, and after falls again the price pump like that. Again changes occur, falls down, again the price will pump, guys. So guys, wait for it. Polygon is a good coin, not a bad coin. Just patience, just wait for a pump. And furthermore, if we talk about the changes, so negative 14% changes occur in the last 1 month, in 178 cent, the highest price of Polygon in last 30 days, guys. Hope you like this update video, guys. Wait for the pump of Polygon, everything will be okay. Possibilities, guys, that after 20 September the price start pumping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.